Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Stripe identity verification for mobile onboarding step by step clearly. To activate Stripe identity verification for mobile onboarding, start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard. On the left-hand menu, locate and click on Identity. Select Verification. Choose Get Started to begin the setup process. Review the available options for identity verification. Decide whether you want to enable document verification, selfie verification, or, if you choose document verification, upload your list of acceptable documents. For selfie verification, ensure your mobile app has the necessary camera permissions. Set up the verification flow for users during the onboarding process. Click on Settings to customize the welcome message and instructions for users. Ensure that your privacy policy is linked to the verification flow. Next, configure the conditions for when verification is required. Choose the specific user segments that will undergo verification. Save your settings to ensure that the changes take effect. Test the identity verification process using a mobile device. Initiate an onboarding session to see how the verification flow appears to users. Check for any errors or issues during the testing phase. Make any necessary adjustments based on feedback from testers. Once satisfied, officially activate the identity verification feature. Inform your team about the new onboarding process. Monitor the implementation closely for the first few weeks. Continue to refine the process based on user feedback and analytics. This will help ensure a smooth onboarding experience for your mobile users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.